Hello, I'm Ederson Oliveira. I'll be presenting this video for DNNhero.com. In this video, I'll be showing how you can create hidden folders in your DotNetNuke website. Now, what would be the purpose of creating hidden folders on your DotNetNuke site? Well, maybe there are some content, some images, some files that you want to store on your portal folder, but you don't want any other user, maybe even a power user. You don't want them to see those folders. You don't want them to access the files inside those folders. So the first thing that we're gonna do here to demonstrate that is to log into the backend, and we could do that as either admin or host. Or super user. I'm gonna use super user. So if we have a look under admin file manager, we will see a couple of different folders that already exist in this particular DNN installation, a DNN 561. Now, what I'm referring to as hidden folders are folders that will be placed in the root folder of your portal, but they will not be visible via the file manager nor via the file browser when you are editing in the HTML text editor. So let's give an example. To create a hidden folder, and I'm running this site in my local host, what I have to do is I have to open my Windows Explorer, and if you have this, if you have your website remote, you may want to access the site files via FTP, but in my case here, I'm running locally, so I have to use Windows Explorer. So I have Windows Explorer open here. This is the root folder of my site, and what I want to do is I want to go to Portals 0. Portal 0 is the root folder of the main portal in this website. So what I'll be doing here is, just to give an example, I'm going to create two folders. One will not be a hidden folder, but the other one will be a hidden folder. So to flag a folder as hidden, what we have to do is, when we gonna create a new folder, we will have to put an underscore prior to the folder name. So I just put an underscore, and I will name the folder as my files. So this folder, because I have placed an underscore prior to the name of the folder, this will be flagged as a hidden folder. Now, just to give the contrast of a hidden folder as opposed to a regular folder, I'm also going to create a regular folder called new folder. So when I go back to the website admin, to the file manager, and I try to synchronize the new folders that I have just created with the website, here's what will happen. So let's click on recursive synchronize, and let's select portal root, which is already selected. Let's click synchronize files. So the synchronization is done. If I expand the portal root folder, we will see the new folder right here. Because we have not placed the underscore prior to the name, it's not a hidden folder. But as you can see, the other folder, which is called my files, underscore my files, it's not present here because I have placed underscore, and that has flagged to the synchronization that this is a hidden folder. Now, there is one additional setting that you have to make sure you have it checked, and this is checked by default, so you don't have to worry about that too much. But just in case, if it's not hiding the underscore folders, you may want to go to admin, site settings, and then scroll all the way down, go to advanced settings, scroll, and go to usability settings. Now, you have to make sure that hide system folders is checked. And again, this is checked by default, but if by any chance this is not checked, then you can just come here, check it, and click update. Now, to give a practical example of where and how and why we should use hidden folders. For instance, if we go to homepage and if we try to edit any content, and let's say that I want to insert a new image to this content here. Let me just delete this. And let's say that I want to insert a new image here. So if I click on the image manager, my folder that has an underscore, and it's called underscore my files, it's not present here. As you can see, the new folder is here, but not my hidden folder. So files that I place inside of that folder will not be accessible via the image manager, via the editor, via the file manager, but I can still make reference to an image that is located there. Let's give an example. I'm just going to copy an image inside my files, and I'm gonna place an image there. So there is an image inside my files. I cannot access that via the file manager nor the browser image in the editor, but I can still make a reference to this file if I want, and that can be done very, very easily. For example, I can add another file. Again, although I want to add a reference to the file that is inside my hidden folder, but in this case, I'm just gonna select any other file here, just to give an example. So there's a file here, but it's not my file. But what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna flip this back to basic text box, and here at the top, I have the path to the image that I have selected, but I don't want this image. I want the image inside my hidden folder. So what I have to do, I just have to make a change here. Is 0/my files / and the image that is there is called logo.jpg. So logo.jpg, and this is the new image. So I could not browse the image, but I can write the entire path to the image. So if I switch this back to rich text editor, let's see. So the image is here. Now, even though I could not access via the browser, but I can still make a direct reference to any file inside that folder. Okay, so basically this is it. This is how you can create hidden folders in .NETNuke. So only you will know that the folder exists, and only you will know the files inside of that folder, and to be able to make reference to those files. So no other user will be able to access those files via the file manager nor via the editor. Okay, thank you very much, and bye for now.